Okay, I am going to get through this video. My eyes are tearing. I just had some lemon water and for some reason choked. I don't know, but I promise I'm gonna get through this. So let's not waste any time, people. Lovely people. My bathroom is small, but it is mighty with information. So we're gonna be talking today about skin oils, carrier oils, all the choices you have. And depending upon your skin type, you may prefer one over the other, but there's so many choices and they're so wonderful and non-comedogenic. See that? Even though I know the word, sometimes it stumps me. So let's go to my kitchen and start with a few oils, and then we'll go into some essential oils because those are my babies. Okay, so I have like 40-50 of those, but let's go. Follow me. Come on. Okay, so we're stepping into my kitchen. I've already pre-pulled several oils and carrier oils. We'll go more in depth over here at my kitchen table. So let's start off with jojoba. This oil is really a wax full of antioxidants, non-comedogenic, so it won't irritate your skin, and it helps with acne and so many other things. We can continue. Oh yes, sweet almond oil full of proteins and minerals and vitamin E. It's very hydrating for dry skin. So it's beautiful as well. Now we're getting into argan oil, one of my favorites. It's a light penetrating oil filled with omega fatty acids, high levels of vitamin E, and it's a wonderful oil. So now we're going to continue with hemp oil and grapeseed oil. First one up, of course, you can see the green color. That has to be the hemp seed oil. This is also good for eczema or other skin problems. It's filled with omegas as well. Now, grapeseed oil, I love it because it's very light and filled with vitamin C, helps with oil production. But there's so many more. So let's move on. Apricot is a light oil, great for acne-prone or sensitive skin. It's amazing and underrated. Now, when we talk about the evening primrose, it's amazing for your skin. Not only does it moisturize and soothe, it helps with elasticity and wrinkles, no doubt. Rosehip seed oil, we all know it helps. It has vitamin A, C, and E, and it helps with acne and uneven pigmentation. So as you see, we can go on and on with so many beautiful natural oils that you can lessen your use of chemical products or products with too many ingredients that you can't even name. Speaking of ingredients that I can't even name, bakuchiol, another vitamin A oil alternative. I'm not going to waste this oil, so I figure put it in my skin carrier oil and apply it to my skin. So that's what I'm doing now. Don't mind me. It's a wonderful thing. Alrighty? Okay, so that concludes my video, and I hope that you guys really found it informative and helpful. And if you'd like me to go in depth with anything that we discussed today, feel free to leave it in the comments. Let me know if there's something else that you want me to talk about. But please visit me again. You're always welcome. Can I be me?